Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my tropical garden here in the UK, Hertfordshire to be precise. Well, over the weekend I did a bit of looking after my plants, you know, the tropical ones that are a bit more tender, give them a bit of a covering up because of the cold weather coming. And it's just as well because if you look behind me, we've had some snow. It's just a little bit, you can see it there on those large leaves of my papyrifus, and especially the large tree fern there. It looks great, doesn't it? I bet it don't feel so good though, must feel a bit chilly. There's a little bit of snow settled on the grass, not much, and a few bits on the rooftop and that, but this is what I've been doing anyway. Over there, that was a Gunnera manicata. I've cut the leaves off, I put the leaves over the top of the stems, complete with some old blankets. It looks a bit scruffy, but well, there you go. I like to look after these plants, so that should take care of that through the winter, even if it gets really frosty, because last year I did lose some of it because it wasn't covered. Well, the wind blew the covering away, to be exact. Anyway, I'll move on, I'll turn around a bit, and then you can see here, looking a bit strange with blankets on, are Musa banana plants, covered up nicely, especially around the bottom of the trunks where they're a bit thicker. I think that's very important. I'll get a view from the other side. Back in a minute. Here we are, back round the other side there, and you can see I've covered it up quite nicely all the way up, tied it up with blankets and string. It's what I do every year. It's a bit unfortunate because the biggest one I just started to flower. I've got some leaves still poking out of the top that haven't been frosted, surprisingly enough. Anyway, that's enough of that one. Let's go and have a look at something else. Just up there in the top of the tree fern, I don't know if you can see it, but where the new shoots start to come through for the ferns, I've put some clean fleece, garden fleece in there, big ball of it, just to keep the main bit of the frost out. I think because it's such a big plant now. That pole there, that actually feeds it water in the summer, but obviously this time of the year you don't need that. Keeps damp enough as it is. Ooh, whoa, look at that, that's a big leaf. Anyway, up here is an agave. It's a little bit on the tender side, doesn't like anything sort of below -3, I suppose, something like that. So it's got a roof on the top, and I put garden fleece all the way around, so that should hopefully take care of that through the winter. I don't know if you can, if I peek through there, you can just see it growing away quite nicely. And underneath all of this bubble wrap, fleece, blankets, anything I can get a hold of, are smaller Musa banana plants. I've cut all the leaves off, just leaving the stalks, and hopefully that will come through. Next year it will just be bigger and stronger. I'm just going to check out the view from the bottom of the garden, and then I'll be off. Well, there it is. Not that much snow, more of a frost I think, over in the field there. I'll tell you what guys, it is icy cold. It is so cold. Anyway, I'm going back in the warm, and I'm going to find something to do with some of my indoor plants, I think. Keep myself warm. By the way, all the other plants that I've tucked away in my greenhouse, I'll turn around, pan around and show you the greenhouse. They're in there, nice and snug, looked after for the winter. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Little bit of insight into my garden in the winter, December, 2nd of December. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. See you all again next time, and bye from me. Oh, and my garden.